Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and model the main plate of my fusion tool or my tool holder for the lab. I'm going to do this parametrically. So I'm going to begin by defining a couple of variables. I'm going to do that under the Modify tab. I'm going to go down to Change Parameters at the bottom. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit this plus right here, and I'm going to make a couple of new parameters. I'll hit OK if something pops up. All right, the name I'm going to use is going to be width, and I'm going to set that to an initial 24 inches. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to also make depth, and I'm going to set that to be, for the expression, I'm going to set that to be 6 inches, and I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and I'm going to come out to this. I'm going to use symmetry just in case, because why not? So I'm going to create a sketch, and I'm going to draw a rectangle, specifically a center rectangle. I'll put that center right at the origin, and now I'm going to come out here, and when I want to set these dimensions, rather than typing 6 inches in, I'm going to type D, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit depth. That just made it 6 inches. And then I'll hit tab to the other one, and that will be width. And I now have a sketch that has a rectangle that is 6 by there. If I want to change that later, it'll make it easy. So you understand, I'm going to go ahead and extrude this whole thing 0.73. That's the thickness of my plywood. Now, if I want to change it, I don't have to go back to a sketch. Instead, I'm going to go to Modify, Change Parameters. And if I wanted to make that a little bit deeper or not as deep, say I wanted to change that to 4, I can just type a 4, and when I tap Enter, it instantly changes it. So think of a parameter as a variable. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change that back. Enter. I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to go save as main plate for tool holder. And you can name it whatever you want. I would actually go in there and I'll put this in IED 2526, and I'm going to hit save. So all I've done now is make the main plate. I'm going to stop there, and I'll pick up in the next video.